In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning branding board using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newcomer to the world of graphic design, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that makes designing both fun and efficient. Let's dive right into the process and explore how you can create your own branding board. To begin, open your browser and head over to Canva. In the search bar, type branding board. This search will pull up a variety of templates specifically designed for creating branding boards. These templates provide a great starting point and can save you a lot of time, allowing you to focus more on customization and perfecting your design according to your brand's identity. Once you've performed your search, browse through the available templates and select one that resonates with your vision. Canva offers a wide range of styles, so take your time to explore until you find the one that fits your brand's aesthetic. After selecting your template, click on Customize this template. This option will take you to the Canva editor, where you can start making the template your own through a series of intuitive and straightforward customization tools. Now the true customization begins. Here you can edit the text sections of the template. It's an opportunity to include your brand's name, tagline, or any other relevant information. When editing text, ensure that you choose a font style and size that reflects your brand's voice while maintaining readability. Next, you have the chance to change the colors in your template. This is crucial for maintaining consistency across your brand's color palette. Simply click on any color in the template and a color editor will appear, allowing you to pick new colors that align with your brand's theme precisely. Beyond text and color, you might want to replace existing images to better suit your brand. For that, you can click on the image you wish to replace, and Canva will provide an option to either use its library of photos or to upload your own. If you have a specific image in mind, this is your moment to incorporate it. Simply drag and drop your desired image into the upload section and you're set. In conclusion, creating a branding board in Canva is a highly efficient way to establish and communicate your brand's visual identity. With its customizable features, Canva supports you in crafting a branding board that speaks to your brand's essence, helping you to maintain a consistent visual language across all your platforms. Enjoy the process, get creative, and most importantly, have fun while designing your branding board. It's an opportunity to truly express what your brand stands for and connect deeply with your audience. Happy designing!